Today I'm going to show you how to write a rhetorical analysis précis. So what is a précis? Let's break down each word. Rhetorical comes from the word rhetoric, which we have defined as persuasive speech. Analysis comes from the verb analyze, which we define as to examine closely. And précis comes from the French word précis. So if you put them all together, a précis is a precise analysis of persuasive speech. And yes, you can write a précis about a speech, but you can also write one about a song, an image, or any other kind of text that someone has created. So think about the word precise. Why do we need to be precise? There are many times in our world where we have to be precise and accurate, and there are serious consequences if we're not. So why do we need to be precise in describing text? Well, the more precise we are in describing text, the deeper our analysis will be, and the more likely we will be to closely analyze our own strategic choices that we make as writers. So a précis has a specific recipe, and just like if I wanted to make my favorite chocolate cake, I would follow the recipe exactly. When you write your précis, you need to follow the recipe exactly. So here's what this looks like. A précis is only 4 sentences, but they are long sentences and you can pack a lot into them. The first sentence is where you describe the speaker, who the speaker is, and their main claim of their text. The second sentence is where you describe the speaker's strategic choices that they make throughout the text. For example, here I'm describing the strategic choices made in a song. So I'm actually going to include in parentheses a lyric from the song, and I put a little slash in between the lines of the lyrics. When you're describing a letter or an essay, you can also include quotations from the text. The third sentence describes the speaker's overall purpose and how those strategic choices help them accomplish that purpose. And the fourth sentence describes who the audience is and how the speaker attempts to connect to the audience through the tone and the mood that they want to inspire. When you put it all together, you get a concise and precise description of the speaker, the audience, the occasion, the purpose, and the subject. All of the elements of the rhetorical situation. If you'd like more support, check out your gold guide. On page 69, you'll find the recipe. On page 70 and 71, you'll see student-written examples that are basic and then some more advanced ones. On page 42, you'll find a great list of power verbs that you can use to describe the author's strategic choices. And on pages 45 to 47, words to describe the tone and mood of the text. Also, reach out to your teacher if you need more examples or help.